Welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to sort data based on custom list. If you haven't watched the previous video on the basic data sorting in Excel, then it is better to watch that video first. Link is provided in the video description. Here I have a data of student name and their mark obtained. I want to sort this data by this custom list that I have made here in this range. Here I have kept the girl's name first and boy's name after that. To sort data based on custom list, first of all, add this range to the lists. For this, click on File tab, More, then Options. Here in the side menu, click on Advanced. Scroll all the way down, then click on this Edit Custom Lists. Now click on Import List from box. Select your list range. Then click on Import. Here you see a new custom list is added. Click on OK buttons. Now, select your data to be sorted. Click on Data tab, then Sort. In the Sort By, choose Student Name. In Sort On, choose Cell Values. In the order, choose Custom List. Click on this added list. Click on OK. Now, here you see, data is sorted based on the custom list. So, this is how we sort data based on custom list in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next tutorial.